Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your iPhone 12. So what I always like to do first is clean my microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So you guys can use anything like a soft brush for an example. You can even try and use compressed air, but it does the job way worse than the soft brush, so I would recommend soft brush for this one. What I like to do next is I go over to the Spotlight search and search for voice memos. Now here I'll just start recording, and this way I'll check if my microphone is working. So as you guys can see, I need to increase my volume, but our mic should definitely work. And this way I'll check if my mic is working. And if it's still not working for you, what you guys can do is restart your phone. So I like to do it the way that I just turn it off with a couple of seconds. So we need to press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now I always slide to power it off and I wait a couple of seconds, and after that I just press the power button. So you guys can press the power button, as you guys can see, and if you keep on pressing it, then you'll just see the Apple logo pop up. Now our phone is restarting, so I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the phone restart, what you guys can do is, let me quickly enter my password. What you guys can do as a last resort is update your software to fix any mic glitches. So we have a release of iOS 26.2. Now what you guys can do is go over into general and then go to software update. So I have the iOS 26.2 available. All you guys have to do is click update now right here, or update tonight. So whenever you enter your PIN again for an example, then overnight your phone will update to the newest iOS. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.